Well, I'm going to start talking about my draw that try to represent the concept of otherness. And I try to represent this otherness by showing difference within a group of equals, that is the simplified human figures that we've got. In the middle of the draw, I did the human figures in a way that they are quite simple because I wanted them to show no individuality, to show them as a group. And I got some inspiration from Cubism in the sense that lines and geometric figures have an important role in the draw. And other thing that is likely to be highlighted is the use of colors, since the faces I wanted to make them in the same color to represent that they all have like the same personality. The background is done in so many different colors because I wanted to show that these are the elections that we have to create ourselves, likes, and these many things. And also the white figure, in which I wanted to represent exactly the concept of otherness, since I showed that figure to people and they told me that I forgot to paint that one. And I tried to explain that it is already painted, it is in white, and white is the mix of all the colors that we've got in the background, all the election that we can have. So having such an important role of vibrant color, it's also influenced by abstract art. And the main thing with this draw was trying to represent the action of being judged simply by being not like the others. And finally, it's also important to mention that when I came with this project, I let some space to improvisation since I have a general idea, but not exactly what I wanted to do until the moment of doing. For the modern technique, I chose the concept of uncertainty, and I really knew that I wanted to do it with a photography since I had a great idea about it. I wanted to show uncertainty as a process, no as a feeling. And the aim of this photography was to show how uncertainty is rather a process than a state. And I wanted to represent how when we are aiming for a goal or we want to reach a point, we know where we want to be and where do we start, but not exactly the journey that we have to do to get to that point. And it's the photography, it is represented by the light at the end of the room, in which that would be the goal, and the door that would be the starting point, and the thing that we cannot foresee would be the dark corridor in which we cannot prevent what things are going to happen. And it is easily to see that this photography is mainly influenced by the chiaroscuro technique, in which illumination and darkness play a vital role. In this sense, as I explained before, light would be the goal and the things we know, and darkness the things that we cannot expect. And to do such a photography, I did it with my own mobile phone camera using the low-key illumination tool. And yeah, that would be all.